Ever needed to surgically remove or revise parts of a document before you sign it? Let's dive into Docusign's powerful crossout feature, your secret weapon for precise document modification. First, ensure you're logged into your Docusign account and have your document open. You'll be working within the prepare stage of the signing process on the left-hand side. You'll see a panel filled with different tools. Our goal today is to find the annotation tools. Navigate to the More, or sometimes labeled, Advanced Fields section within this area. You're looking for a tool that visually indicates removal. It often looks like a line through text. This is your Strike or Strikethrough tool. Click on the Strikethrough tool to select it now. Your cursor will change, indicating it's ready to be used for marking. Hover your cursor over the exact text or section you wish to exclude or amend, for example. Let's say there's a clause here that needs to be removed from the final agreement. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag your cursor across the entire text you want to mark for removal. As you drag, you'll see a red line appear, clearly indicating the section is being struck through. Release the mouse button when you've highlighted the complete section. See that? That paragraph is now visually marked for exclusion. This is crucial for ensuring everyone sees exactly what's being removed before the document is officially signed. You can do this for multiple sections as needed. Once you've made all your necessary crossouts and annotations, remember to click Save and Close. To preserve your changes, this allows you to revisit the document or send it for review with these clear modifications in place. Mastering this ensures clarity and agreement on the final version of your important documents.